Hello Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kumusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung naka-resonate kayo. Thank you. Tignan natin kung ano yung mga messages ni Virgo. And by the way, I would like to say hi and shout out po sa ating beloved channel member na si Jonah payuyuyaho.com, Clarice 453. Maraming salamat po for supporting my channel. So, we have angels of healing are with you. Ayan. So, sabi dito, a time of healing is about to bless your life. Accept Archangel Raphael's emerald green light while I enhance your strength. Ayan, so ang ganda, ang swerte, no? Kung meron kayong mga physical ailments, or meron kayong mga emotional problems, emotional problems, or meron kayong mga emotional difficulties na maaaring nararanasan recently, this is a time of healing. Okay? Maaring sa tulong ni Archangel Raphael, no, and ng Spirit, your situation will be healed. Your situation will start to improve, no? At babalutin ka ni Archangel Raphael ng kanyang emerald green light, 'di ba? Para ibalik, no? Or makabalik yung inyong lakas, yung inyong vitality, ang kapayapaan sa inyong dibdib, sa inyong isipan, no? So what else? We have be a light to others. You have a powerful message to share. Shine your light in the world so that others can learn from you. Ayan, so this could be your mission, no? Be light to others, inspire others. Maaring kayo yung magsisilbing liwanag ng mga tao. Maaring siguro pwedeng ikaw ay spiritual teacher, o pwedeng ikaw ay spiritual counselor, mga ganon, na um, you are going to share your knowledge. You are also going to share your wisdom, your learnings in life, no? Yung lessons learned ninyo in the past, maaaring yan ay i-share din ninyo sa ngayon sa kanila, sa mga tao na nasa paligid ninyo. You are going to be an inspiration, no, to many. So what else? We have the way forward is open. You're not trapped. Possibilities and opportunities abound. I will guide you to personal and spiritual freedom. Ayan. So, hindi ka daw trap, no? Kaya wag mong isipin na hindi ka makagalaw, hindi ka makausad sa buhay kasi natatrap ka, you know? Possibilities and opportunities are abound, no? Paparating ang mga posibilidad, oportunidad. So, when that happens, when that comes, uh, embrace it, no? Embrace it at gawin mo, seize the opportunity, 'di ba? Kasi ito na yung pagkakataon mo, no, na magawa mo ang mga gusto mong gawin, madala mo sa realidad, no, yung mga pangarap mo, yung mga heart's desires mo, yung ganon. So, good luck. Tignan natin kung ano pa ang mga mensahe ni Virgo. We have Heart Guardian, love and let yourself be loved. Okay? So, maaari, no, na you are going to be, you are going to be opening your heart sa ngayon for love. Maybe you are also going to be oozing with love at this time, So, siguro, time na din ito for you to love yourself. Maybe this is also a time that you need to care for yourself and love for yourself. Kasi baka mga nakaraang panahon, mas inuuna mo yung ibang tao, 'di ba? Mas inaasikaso mo ibang tao, mas mahal mo yung ibang tao, at hindi mo napapansin ang sarili mo, no? Yourself also needs your love, 'di ba? So ngayon, yan po pwedeng you are going to focus now on self-love, and at the same time baka magbubukas ka na din ng puso mo para magmahal ng iba at mahalin ka din ng iba, no? So, what else? We have traveler, move in a new direction. So, maaaring may travel dito, may detour, po pwedeng may relocation, Pupuwedeng meron ditong change of place of residence ang iba. Baka meron kayong career change, and career change na 'to is going to require you to travel. Maaaring mangingibang bansa ang iba sa inyo dito, 'no? Or baka yung negosyo ninyo, 'no, will require you to travel a lot. So, pupuwedeng gano'n ang ganap dito, 'no? Pupuwede rin na meron kayong plano na merong kumbaga na konkreto na yung plano ninyo regarding something, pero ngayon baka mababago 'yan. Maybe you are going to change your direction, 'di ba? You're going to change plans, puwedeng gano'n. So, you also have mountains, stand your ground. Okay? Panindigan mo yung sarili mo, panindigan mo kung ano yung paniniwala mo, 'di ba? At kaya mo 'yan kung ano man yung pupuwedeng obstacles, problema na maaaring kinakaharap ninyo. Wag mong isipin na hindi mo kayang lutasin 'yan, ano? Kasi walang problema na walang solusyon. Lahat ng problema may solusyon. Lahat ng difficult situation ay merong gamot 'yan, 'no? Merong gamot 'yan at magiging maayos din ang lahat. Alright? So, good luck sa'yo. Thank you for watching, Love and Light. Namaste.